Good morning, my dear friends. How are you all? Yeah, okay, good. I'm also fine. All of you have your breakfast? Who all ate your breakfast? Raise your hands. Okay, very good. What happened, Anandu? What happened, Riya? Why don't you eat your breakfast today? Okay, no problem. I will give you. I have brought some bananas. We can share this. Take Anandu. Here, take it, Riya. Now, can I also have my breakfast? Okay, I am eating this. Okay, finish this. Then, what is remaining in my hand and Anandu's and Riya's hand? What is it? Yes, it is a banana peel. Why didn't we eat this peel? Anyone know the answer? Yes, humans will not eat the banana peel. Then who will eat this? No one knows the answer? No one? Yeah, Ashwin said the answer. Okay, I will tell you. Look at this video. Who is eating the banana peel? Yes, it is a goat. A goat is eating the banana peel. Look at the video. Okay, now anyone can guess why did I bring these bananas to the classroom? No guesses? Okay, no problem. I will tell you. Today is a new day. So, we are going to start our new chapter. Our chapter's name is Through the Alimentary Canal. Okay, I will show you a person. If anyone knows him, you can answer. Okay? Look at the picture. Who is he? Anyone knows him? Nobody. Yes, you can. Tell. Yes, Ashwin told the right answer. Who is he? Yes, he is the famous Malayalam writer Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. Okay, our new chapter is beginning with a few part of his story, famous story, Pathumayude Aadu. Let's read this together. Sensing the smell of a plantain, Pathuma's goat paid her appearance before me. I peeled off the skin and ate the plantain. Seeing me eating something, Uma's refugee cats too appeared there. The hens, trotting under Uma's care, also came. I gave the peel of the plantain to Pathuma's goat. The goat stood there expecting more. Pathumayude Aadu, Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. In the story, Bashir gave the peel of banana to the goat and not to the hens or cats. What may be the reason? In the beginning of the class, we also ate the banana and not the peel. That means different organisms eat different types of food. Let's go for some videos. Who is this? This is the king of the forest, the lion. What lion is eating? The lion is eating meat. Wow, this is a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly is sucking nectar from the flowers. Who is this? This is a cow. The cow is eating grass. Here, look at here. There is a beautiful bird. The bird is eating the fruit. In these videos, do all of them eat the same food or whether the mode of procuring food were the same? Definitely no. Now, you may understand what we are going to learn in our chapter. We are going to learn about different types of organisms, the food they eat and the mode of procuring food by them. Let us fill the table given in the textbook related to this. In the table, there are 3 columns: organism, food and mode of feeding. The first organism is a caterpillar. A caterpillar nibbles the leaf. The second one is a lion. Lion tears and chews the meat. The third one is snake. Snake swallows the frog and insects. And the last one is butterfly. Butterfly sucks the nectar. This is also called as siphoning. Okay, let's move on to our next topic. The process of intake and utilization of food by organism is called nutrition. Friends, plants are also organisms, isn't it? They also need food for their growth. Yes, they also need food for their growth. Don't you know which process is indicated in this picture? You have learned this in the 5th standard. Anyone knows the answer? Quick answer, quick answer. Yes, another said the answer. This is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and green color pigment chlorophyll, and this process is known as photosynthesis. And which gas was received by the plants during the photosynthesis and which was given out? Anyone know the answer? Yes, Nivedya said the answer. Carbon dioxide is the gas received by plants and oxygen is the gas given out by the plants during the photosynthesis. Green plants do not depend on other organisms for their food. They synthesize their own food. Hence, they are known as autotrophs. On the other hand, there are organisms which are unable to synthesize their own food. Therefore, they depend on other organisms for food. Hence, they are known as heterotrophs. Humans and animals comes under the category of heterotrophs. Do you know, friends, there are some plants that depend on other plants for either food, shelter or nutrients. Let's take some pictures. Which plant is this? Yes, this is Monotropa. Monotropa takes food from the decayed organic remains. Hence, it is called as a saprophyte. Okay, which plant is this? Yes, this is a Cuscuta. Cuscuta takes food from the plant on which it lives. Hence, Cuscuta is a total parasite. Okay, next. Which one is this? Yes, this is a sandalwood tree. During the initial stages of the growth, a sandalwood tree absorbs water and minerals from the roots of the plant surrounded by it. So, sandalwood tree is known as semi-root parasite. Okay, which one is seeing now? Now you are seeing a Loranthus. A Loranthus absorbs water and minerals from the plant on which it lives. Hence, it is known as a semi-parasite. Someone may see the branches on which Loranthus may grow will dry up. What may be the reason? Yes, it is because Loranthus is a semi-parasite. It absorbs water and minerals from the plant, hence it dries up. Now, let's see some parasites among animals. Here, look at the monitor. Here, we can see louse, worms and flea. We can classify these parasites in two categories: internal parasites and external parasites. Parasites which live inside the body is known as internal parasite and which lives outside the body is known as external parasite. Worms is example for internal parasite and louse and flea are example for external parasites. Okay, now one question. Do you think these parasites harm the host organism? Got the answer? Yes. These parasites also harm the host organism just like Loranthus harms the host plant. Take anti-worm medicines like albendazole once in 6 months to prevent worm infection in human body. Now, let us study about some predators of the plant world. Look at the picture. These plants are known as insectivorous plants. They are given this name because they catch and eat insects. Photosynthesis also takes place in these plants too. Then, why do they catch insects? Let's see. Do you have any guess? Okay, no problem. I will say. Elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. are needed for plants in large quantities for their growth. You know that certain bacteria like Azotobacter, Nitrobacter, Rhizobium, etc. converts atmospheric nitrogen to nitrate. But these bacteria may not be present in the soil with high acidity. the plants which grow in such soil do not get nitrogen. It is to overcome this situation, these plants acquire the ability to catch insects. They obtain the required amount of nitrogen through the digestion of these insects. Okay, now you understand the topic? Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next topic. Food in humans. As you all aware, the energy required for our life activities is obtained from the food we eat. The digestion of the food starts from our mouth. The digestive enzymes in the saliva enables this process. Now, let me ask you a question. Whoever knows the answer can raise your hands. Okay, the question is, which is the hardest part of our body? Yes, Anamika said. Yes, tooth is the hardest part of our body. The outermost layer of the tooth is known as enamel, and enamel is the hardest material of our body. Then, why does the tooth, which does not even decay when buried in the earth for a long time, easily decay in our mouth? Let me explain through a simple experiment. Look at the screen. As you all know, marble is a hard material. Put a small piece of marble in dilute hydrochloric acid. Examine after a while. What changes can you observe? Yes, tell me. Yes, the acid reacts with marble and dissolves it. The same thing happens in our mouth. The enamel, which is a calcium compound, reacts with the acid and gets destroyed. In the same way, a marble gets destroyed after reacting with a hydrochloric acid. But how does the acid comes in contact with the teeth? When food remains stuck to teeth, bacteria feed on them. As a result, lactic acid is produced, which causes the destruction of the enamel. Sweet foodstuff also accelerates the bacterial activities. My dear children, which habit should be practiced for the health of our teeth? Okay, let me explain the answer through a funny nursery rhyme. Everybody sing along with me. Okay, let's start. Okay, brush, brush, brush your teeth every morning, every night. Brush, brush, brush your teeth in the morning, in the night. Take your brush and add some paste. Brush it up without any haste. Brush your teeth from left to right till the cleaning feels alright. Brush it up, brush it down. Move your brush round and round. The secret of having healthy teeth is to clean your teeth every day. Okay, everybody sing with me. Brush, brush, brush your teeth every morning, every night. Brush, brush, brush your teeth in the morning, in the night. Oh, very good. Friends, do you have a little sister or brother in your home? Have you noticed at what age do the teeth start sprouting in your children? Yes, it is approximately 6 months that teeth start sprouting. These teeth are known as milk teeth. 10 teeth each would appear at the upper and lower gums. The milk teeth start falling at the age of 6. The permanent teeth are those which appears after that. If any of them falls off or breaks, a new one will never take its place. Friends, before checking the diagonal diagram of a teeth, can I ask a question? Yes. Do you know which is the main component of a teeth? Anyone knows the answer? Yes. Aisha, tell me the answer. Yeah, she said the right answer. Calcium phosphate is the right answer. Give her a big clap. Okay, great job, Aisha. Now let us check the diagram. Okay, in this diagram, we can see the outermost layer of the teeth. Which was that? Yes, that is the enamel. Remember that enamel is the strongest material in our body. Okay, In this diagram, we can also see the portion above the gum of a teeth and the portion below the gum of a teeth. Friends, are all our teeth similar? No, never. All of them are different and their uses are also different. There are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. 4 of them are very different. Let's check the uses and features of these teeth. Incisors. 8 teeth in the front, 4 above and 4 below are incisors. Incisors helps to bite and cut food. Canines. 4 teeth near the incisors on both sides above and below are canines. Canines helps to tear off foodstuff. Premolars. 8 teeth next to canines on both sides above and below are premolars. Premolars helps to chew and grind food. Molars. 12 teeth next to premolars above and below are known as molars. Molars helps to grind and crush food. Premolars and molars are generally called molar teeth. A total of 32 teeth are seen in an adult. Friends, are the teeth of other animals similar to ours? No, never. Let's look at some pictures. In this picture, we can see a lion and a buffalo. The teeth of both the animals are very different. And how is the shape of their teeth related to their food habit? Lion is a carnivorous and carnivores have canine teeth to tear off their food. But buffalo is a herbivorous and herbivores have teeth which helps them in cutting, chewing and grinding food. Hence, the uses of both animals' teeth are also quite different. Okay, now we can study about the journey of food. Where does the food, chewed and ground in the mouth, move to? Let's trace the path. See the pictures. Stomach. Food reaches the stomach from the mouth through the esophagus. It is the wave-like movement of the esophagus which enables this. This is called peristalsis. Due to the movement of the stomach wall, food is rendered paste-like inside the stomach. The digestive enzymes produced by the stomach digest food chemically too. Small intestine. Small intestine is about 6 meters long. Digestion of food is completed here. The nutrients in the digested food are absorbed into the blood. Large intestine. Large intestine is the broader intestine following small intestine and is about 1.5 meters long. The absorption of water containing minerals and salts takes place here. What remains after that is the feces. It is stored in the rectum and expelled through the anus. Hope you are all now familiar with the parts of the digestive system. Look at the picture. Okay, now label the parts marked in it. The food first reaches the mouth, then to the esophagus, then to the stomach, then small intestine and large intestine. Then what is remaining? The feces are remaining. The feces are stored in the rectum and expelled through the anus. Okay, now let's see the pictures of the digestive system of some organisms. Do you know excessive alcoholism affects our digestive system? Let's check its defects. Digestive system and alcoholism. Liquor afflicts wounds on the soft layers of the stomach. This results in ulcer. Excessive alcoholism causes liver cirrhosis. Liquor causes cancer in the mouth, esophagus, liver and large intestine. Oh, friends, it's time to wind up today's teaching session. Before signing off, let's revise what we have learned together in today's class. We have started our chapter by reading a few parts of the famous story Pathumade Ade by the famous Malayalam writer Vaikam Muhammad Bashir, who is also known as Bepur Sultan. Then we have learned about different organisms and their food cultures. After that, we have learned about nutrition. Now, let me ask a last question. Can anybody answer what is the importance of nutrition in our life? Yes, Daisy, tell me the answer. Yes, she said the right answer. For growth and survival of our life, we need nutrition. Then we revised about photosynthesis and parasites. After that, we learned about food in humans, predators of the plant world, about the tooth, the journey of food, and also about the digestive system. Some more portions are remaining in this chapter which can be discussed in our next class. Hope you all enjoyed my teaching session and thank you for being patient and enthusiastic in the whole session. Bye. Friends, last but not least, excessive alcohol consumption is injurious to our health. Signing off, AAGNEYA SHANOJ.